po na karapatan mo ni Justice Tatio to keep his name in contention or to withdraw his name for reasons that he has already stated. Tapos, in reaction to that, karapatan din naman ng JBC to decide whether to keep him in contention or to, for whatever reason, ignore his withdrawing of his name. So, mukhang pati yun ay pinag-usapan naman ng JBC kasi obviously they want to keep the process as open as possible. So, siguro paubayan lang po natin sa discretion at sa wisdom ng JBC to make the decision on this particular issue or any other issues that may come up habang interview po nila. Second day po nila ngayon ng pag-interview sa mga prospective
Pero on this point,
Opo.
even with the official stand of the President regarding the appointment of the new Chief Justice, hindi pa final and executory yung Supreme Court decision. Ano ba, hihintayin pa ba ni Presidente yung maging final yung ruling or upon the submission of the list coming from the Judicial and Bar Council matapos na?
Pagkagaling si Pangulo na ang pagpipilian po niya ay manggagaling din sa ng GBC ng JBC. At ang desisyon naman ng JBC ay bubuin nila yung listahan nila base pa sa Pangulo kapag natapos ng COVID-19 nagkaroon ng ruling ng Supreme Court tungkol sa mga motion of for reconsideration na inihain po ng various quarters. So, si Presidente pong nasa huli ng proseso. So, she has to wait on the timing of the other parties involved in the process.
Next question is